LeetCode problem number 1, twoSum. Given an array of integers nums and an integer target. Return the indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution. And you may not use the same element twice. For example, given nums equals 2, 7, 11, 15, target equals 9, the expected output is 0, 1. The most natural approach is brute force. We try every possible pair of numbers using two nested loops. For each index I, we check every index j. After it and see if nums I plus nums j equals the target. If it does, we return that pair of indices. This works, but it scans roughly in squared pairs, which becomes slow for large arrays. The complexity here is O, n squared, time, O, 1, space. We can do much better in a single pass using a hash map. As we iterate through the array, for every number x we compute its complement, which is target minus x. If that complement is already in the hash map, we have found our answer and return the stored index along with the current index. Otherwise, we store the current number and its index in the map and continue. This runs in linear time because each lookup and insert into a hash map is constant on average. The complexity here is O, n, time, O, n, space. Now let's implement the optimal solution in C++. I'll write it out step by step so you can follow along.